Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, dark green color, red color, dark blue color, brown color, black color, purple color, light green color, violet color, sky blue color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets A, B, C, D. Try A for X. B for bus. C for cherry. D for duck. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G for goat. H for heart. I for ink. J for jar. K for kite. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nails. O for olive. P for pineapple. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for sheep. T for train. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.